2023, a lawyer submitted a legal brief citing 6 court cases. All 6 were fake invented, word for word, by ChatGPT. The model wasn't broken. It was doing what it always does, answering a closed book exam it was never equipped to pass. Every AI model answers you from memory. Everything it knows was frozen the day training ended. It has never seen your company's docs. It doesn't know what happened last week. And when it hits a gap, it doesn't say, "I am not sure." It fills that gap with the most plausible sounding words it can find and hands them over with total confidence. That's hallucination. By the end of this, you'll understand the one trick that fixes it, the thing behind every chat with your PDF and every AI that cites its sources. It's called RAG, and it's shockingly simple. First, why the lying happens. Picture the smartest student you know, photographic memory, read half the internet. Lock them in a room, take away every book and phone, and make them answer questions about a report they've never read. For what they remember, they're brilliant. But ask about anything outside their memory, and they don't shrug, they guess. And because they're so articulate, the guess sounds exactly as confident as the truth. That's a language model on its own. So here's the fix, and it's almost annoyingly obvious. Give it the book. Before the AI answers, let it look things up. That's RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation. 3 words, 3 steps. Retrieval, find the relevant information. Augmented, add it to the question. Generation, now write the answer. You've turned a closed book exam into an open book one. Look it up hides the clever part. Picture all your knowledge docs a textbook, 10,000 support tickets as a giant library. When you ask something, how does the AI grab the right pages instantly? Not by keyword. Ask about cars and keyword search misses every page that says automobile. Instead, every chunk of text is turned into a list of numbers called an embedding, coordinates on a map of meaning. Pages about dogs cluster together, taxes sit far away. Your question lands on that same map, and retrieval is just grabbing the chunks closest to it, matching meaning, not words. That's how Do I Cancel finds the page titled "Ending Your Subscription," with 0 words in common. The catch: the model can only be as good as the pages you hand it. Grab the wrong chunk, and it hallucinates with footnotes. But when retrieval nails it, the augmented step is simple. Those chunks get pasted right into the prompt. Above your question, using only these, answer the user. And here is what people get wrong: nothing was trained. Your data was never baked into the model. It was handed over at question time and thrown away after, which is why editing one document changes the answer instantly, with no retraining. And because it's reading real sources, it can point at them. That little one next to an AI answer. That's RAG showing its work. The whole unlock fresh data, private data, and trust you can actually check, no retraining required. Most AI products you find useful aren't running a smarter model than the one that makes things up. They're running the same model with a library card. So next time an AI answers with a source instead of a shrug, you'll know the trick underneath. RAG didn't make the model smarter, the brilliance was always there. It just stopped answering from memory and finally got to open the book. If this is the first time RAG actually clicked, that's the whole reason this channel exists, taking the AI ideas everyone pretends to understand and making them actually make sense. Subscribe so the next one finds you. And I am curious, if you could hand your AI one library to read from, what would be in it? Tell me below.